Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth. Today my topic is Mars and Venus conjunction. So before knowing the effect of Mars and Venus conjunction, we just learnt about Mars and Venus significance. Mars is the Karak of action, Venus is the Karak of money. Mars is a Karak of action, Venus is Karak of love. Mars and Venus combination makes native very calculative in the mathematics. In the modern days, we can say that native may be expert in the computer or other calculative things. Venus is the money. So native may be very aggressive regarding the money making, or we can say that his most of action is money oriented or money minded. Means he always wants some profit from every of his actions. What he do, what he take any action, then he assume that he will be getting profit from his actions. Then he will be do that action in proper ways, otherwise he is not interested to do any actions. Mars and Venus is just like a husband and wife. Mars is the husband and Venus is the wife. If Mars and Venus associated in the charts, then we can say that native has early marriage. He will be enjoying the happiness of women from the early age. He may be falls in love, but husband and wife has lack of satisfaction. He may has good comfort, but he has a lack of satisfaction due to the high sexual desires. Apart from this, if Mars and Venus conjunction is affiliated in the chart, why anyways, then it is not considered good for the marriage life. If Mars and Venus is smoothly placed in the charts and doesn't interference of any planets, then we can say that native has a happy marriage life and both loves each other. Mars and Venus combination is indicating native may be natural gambler. Native has good interest in dancing. He has interested in the rock music. From his gambling activities, he can make profit or not. It will be depend on the placement of Mars and Venus conjunction. If Mars and Venus conjuncted in a good house and having the good house lordship, then definitely it will be making profits. It will be making profits via his gambling activities. Otherwise, native may lose via his gambling activities. Suppose that Mars and Venus is not well placed in the charts, then he has a tendency to act just like a gambler. Then his act will be proving wrong, or he will be lost his money. So it will be depends on the placements. If the well placed, then definitely he will be making the money, and not well placed, then he will be lost his money. Mars and Venus conjunction is indicating native may be interested in a woman. So he will be spend his money on the woman. He will be interested in the wines or other drinks. Native may be like adventurous things. Mars and Venus combination makes native crooked by nature. He may be fraudental. He may be expert in tricks. Apart from this, he has a very good knowledge to win the war. Means he will be expert in the war tactics. He know how to win a war, or he know how to convert any situations in his own favor. Mars and Venus combination is indicating that native may be rich person. After marriage, his prosperity will improve. He will be reputed in the society, and his reputation is due to his power of money, not due to his behavior or not due to his good character, due to his money. Means native may be wealthy and rich, and that's why he will be getting reputation in the society. In a female chart, Mars is a husband, so native's husband may be rich after the marriage. Why? Because Mars is associated with the Venus. When native's marriage will happen, then his husband will be become rich, or his financial condition will be improved. His husband may be attractive while look. Why? Because the Mars husband is associated with a beautiful planet Venus, so he may be attractive while look. If we look the other factors, then we can say that his husband may be sensual and money minded. In a male charts, Venus is his wife and it is associated with the Mars. So we can say that his Mars means his Venus comes with the any blood related family. Means his wife comes from any of his relative family. His wife has very bold attitudes, and native doesn't have a control of her, because Venus is associated with the Mars. So Venus having quality of the Mars. So wife may be bold by nature. Natives or anybody cannot control native's wife. His wife may be independent by nature, and husband and wife may have frequently quarrel or dispute. His wife may be proudful in nature. If we take Mars as a brother in a male chart, then we can say that native siblings may be wealthy and his financial condition may be good. As far as the classical books, natives may be doing the business of milk related things or cattle related things. Thank you. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel for getting the latest update regarding the astrology. Thank you. Hope you like my videos. Have a nice day.